Hey, what's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this episode, we're opening up two Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious series, Quarter Mile Muscle and Furious Off-Road. Between the two sets, there are a total of 10 unique vehicles to collect. There's a nice variety between the muscle cars and the off-roading collectibles, so let's take a look at all 10 of these Hot Wheels cars out of the box. Now, the first of 5 cars from Fast and Furious Quarter Mile Muscle is the red 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS with black racing stripes. The second car racing in Quarter Mile Muscle is another Chevelle. It is a satin gray 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Number 3 in the set is a black 77 Pontiac Firebird TA with gold 10-spoke Wheel Riders wheels and a gold Firebird on the hood. The fourth vehicle from Quarter Mile Muscle is the yellow 67 Chevrolet Camaro with the opening hood and the black nose stripe. Number 5 is the final Fast and Furious Quarter Mile Muscle machine, the white 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Now, the first car from the next set, Furious Off-Road, was driven by Brian O'Connor in Furious 7, the Subaru Impreza WRX STI. The second off-road vehicle in the series is from Fast and Furious 6. It's the olive green colored 91 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Our third Fast and Furious off-roading 4x4 is the black Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop from the Fate of the Furious. Number 4 is a Furious Off-Roader driven by Roman Pierce in Furious 7. It's a silver 67 off-road Camaro with black rally stripes. Last but not least, number 5 out of 5 in the Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious Furious Off-Road series is the Hummer H1. Check them out, guys. Those are 10 Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious cars that look absolutely incredible and are really fun to collect. If you would like to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.